1968. It's another king of the road, GT500KR. This one, JK, is a convertible.
Yep, so you got everything going for it here, Chris. It's a KR, meaning it's got the bump up to the 428 Cobra Jet, and it's got air conditioning as well. Very rare. C6 automatic transmission. Quality of the restoration speaks for itself. Documented by one of the Marti reports. Our buddy Kevin Marti does a fantastic job of being able to tap into actual Ford build records from back in the day and put together a nice report.
$160,000 bid, no reserve on this GT500KR.
So there is a white convertible top underneath that black boot. So it would not be triple black,
but would be a very good look with the top up or down.
$210,000.
210.
210 and 200.
Yeah.
210.
210.
210. 220. 210.
Oh, yeah.
20. 220. 210 to bid. 220. And you want to give $220,000. 220. 210. 220. I get to 10 to 20. 30.
Internet in play.
230.
Someone jumped in your office. 250, sir. 250, 255 now. Hold on, we're at 265 now. We're at 260, 265. Is that a yes? Yes, sir. 265.
265 on the phone. We'll see what the reaction is. Looks like there's a guy in the room.
Encourage him. You're just standing there doing nothing. Get 275. Just get on the phone or something. Right into the 270. Call somebody. You got
270.
You got 270.
They waited like you did. 275, yes? 275.
We took our spot. You're over what I wanted. Jim, tell him to get 280. I understand. Hey, 280. Let's do it one more time, and I won't ask you again. 280. Okay.
$280,000 bid. Great moment there.
The current bid is in the audience. Now we're at 290. 290.
290 on the phone.
$300,000. He'll hang up immediately. Just give three. Just give 300,000.
295. Make him give 3. 295. Hey, 295.
Hey,
295 now. Even after telling him he wasn't going to ask him again, he gets him to go 295.
Give 300.
Give 300. Give 300. I bet you he will hang up immediately.
290 current bid.
$300,000, Zach. Just give 300. Okay, I got 295. Now 300.
300, sir.
Now 295.
295 is bid.
300. 10.
So is that going to be the knockout punch?
310. $310,000 bid. 300 is bid. 310. 300. Don't listen to Jim now. 310. He hasn't said anything good yet. 310. 310.
310. You told me that 4 times. Hey, I appreciate it.
Yep, that's going to be it on the telephone. Gus Kozar
$300,000 Gus.
on the telephone with a buyer at $300,000. Bill Stevens, what do you think, brother?
I think the KR convertible market has got the wind at its back right now, especially for the right cars.
21 4-speed, original interior, original Protecto.
Yep.